Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and get the grapes into the steamer. This is my base. I need to fill that all up with water. It's mostly full, so. And we're going to put that on the stove. You're going to want to make sure the little slot is pointing. I usually have it off to the side, kind of over this, because that's where the juice is going to come from. Then we have this piece. This is this receptacle where the juice will land. This, you see, it's got these holes where the steam will come up through there, and then all the juice will come into this receptacle. So I'm going to go ahead and put the basket in here. Now if you see, I've got this mounted. This isn't too bad, but I can't get the lid on very well. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to go ahead and squish the grapes. And sometimes I mount them up really high and I can just squish them, and you can hear the juice already running out. The one thing about doing this, if you have it mounted really high, the juice actually won't fit in this receptacle, you know, kind of start having problems. So what I do is I just will drain some of the juice out partway through. But if that kind of stresses you out, you can just make sure you don't have it mounted, just have it level, and then it will all fit. So then you put the lid on, and you take the whole thing over here, put it on your base. There we go. Now I've got a new tube, and this clamp doesn't hold it very well, so I always make sure I've got a good kink in it right here, because the juice is, I put it in a glass and I try and kink it so that the juice doesn't come out. And then you go ahead and turn it on, and then once the bottom is boiling, you can turn it down really low and just let it steam, and it will probably take a couple of hours before it's all steamed down. So I'll come back in a couple of hours and show you what to do next.